seeing part of the city that I'm very much familiar with, that is now deserted. People have left those areas, they left their homes, they left their shops, their restaurants, seeing the roads and how difficult it is for all vehicles and the trucks to move along those roads so that we can reach Gaza City. My mind is always thinking about making sure the temperature of the cold chain is maintained to the required level so that the vaccine is safe until it's been delivered and transported inside the refrigerators at the hospital. The most challenging moment was passing by the hospital and seeing the damage, but also seeing the number of people who are coming to look for medications that they need for their children, for their parents. No child deserves to go through the suffering that I have seen children in Gaza going through. Children belongs to schools. Children belongs to being next to their moms and dads.